Hey there, welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we have something truly special to show you, the factory direct supply 15.6-inch DDR4 with 128GB 256GB 512GB SSD 1TB HDD Win10 I3 i5 i7 gaming laptop. This laptop is an absolute beast, packed with power and performance, making it the perfect Christmas gift for yourself or your loved ones. With its DDR4 RAM and options for 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB SSD, as well as a 1TB HDD, this laptop is built for speed and storage. Whether you're a casual user, a student, a professional, or a hardcore gamer, this laptop has got you covered. And with the option of choosing between the i3, i5, or i7 processor, you can customize the performance to fit your exact needs. Imagine the look on your loved one's face when they unwrap this sleek and powerful laptop on Christmas morning. But you don't have to wait until then. Treat yourself to the gift of top-tier performance and reliability today. And the best part? You can get this amazing laptop at a factory direct price, cutting out the middleman and saving you money. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the factory direct supply 15.6-inch DDR4 with 128GB 256GB 512GB SSD 1TB HDD Win10 I3 i5 i7 gaming laptop and take your computing experience to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Upgrade your laptop game for Christmas and beyond. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.